Okay guys, good afternoon. Time check, 1 o'clock. So ngayon, opening ng Interbarangay ng Lingayen, Pangasinan. So kami po yung Team Lasip. So nandito na po kami. So ayan, nag-prepare na yung mga player natin. Tayo ang napilang head coach ng team. So ayan, nag-prepare na yung mga player natin. So sana, makapaglaro na ngayon. Opening na ngayon eh. Okay.
Once again, leave some last basketball players have maayos ang sarili. Another from Group B, Matalapa basketball players have so we have two from the Group B. And now recognizing the Central Conference Group A, Hulaan Damay, Tagabaay basketball players have another Group A and waiting for the others to come. Group B, on the list we have recognizing the Pangapisan Sur basketball players and team have Pangapisan Sur isil kayo excellent. You are recognized. Ilalagay bottom. And we will still waiting on the next to come over. And maya-maya we will be starting more than activity. And we repeat coming from you. You are recognized now from the Lasik Lulipayan. Eto ang liga. Lasik. Have Sir Kelly. Okay, sa lahat na nakakakilala kay Sir Ezekiel Sispene, malakpak naman ang may kasamang sigawan! Sir, yung pinapalin, kailangan ng magmayman ng handa lang, sir. And part of the program, itong center area will be the area na tutunguhin. And we will request Ma'am Mary.
Pre, shout out sa kumpare ko. Then guys, nag-start na po yung opening.
Taning ko, gising.
Sino eh?
Takinan.
Balik daw,
Next
balik
po
daw.
ang ating
Sino mo
team
balik daw?
sa baba.
Tanin kasi i-endorse ko.
Ha? Hindi, kunwari. Kunwari na ba? Ano to? Okay lang eh.
Kaya may post ko kasi ako
Ah.
karama pero na wheelchair
And from the
pastor.
Southern Conference Group A, we have Team Basil.
Dito po. Ilcongge.
Followed by Barangay Bulag. Next one, Barangay Malawa. Barangay Wawa. We have Team Alamanggot. Next. And last but not the least, Team Tumbar.
Shout out kay Jerry Perher.
Yung Team Togi, please assemble now here to the following for Team Togi.
Yung second row na lang po yung ibang teams. Kung hindi na po kasha, dito na lang po, second row. Please form a line, second row na lang po yung ibang teams.
Ay, tagay nyo, panahon nang. Show out. Show out. Watch out.
And Attorney Heidi Pacheco. We have our Team NND. We have Councilor J.M. Crisostomo, Councilor Jasper Pasion, Councilor Daga Bernal, Councilor Ava and JCRC Web, Councilor Don Ramos, Councilor G. Javier, our coordination.
Likod ng mga vision para po sa drawers at para po malaman natin kung sino po ang unang maglalaro. Once again, all team coaches or representative ng bawat team na magtuloy po dito sa likod.
Guys, paalis na kami. So, bukas pa malalaman kung pag anong laro. Kung may laro bukas palalaman. So ayan, paalis na ng Team Lasip. Hindi na namin pinatapos yung kalaro nila, Congressman. Hindi, magpapractice pa kami sa baryo. Okay na.